Coast Guard's just watching us.
We're totally in another water. We're taking on more. We need more water.
Oh God.
That was nice.
Jesus.
Wait, are you still recording?
Yes.
Dude, stop recording. We need a battery for the end.
No, we don't. Capsizing us.
I have 36 left.
That thing drains.
Yeah. It drains because it's the highest quality camera. Like,
Why are you taking it in the highest quality?
because.
We need quality entertainment.
Puff, puff, puff.
Sig. Puff. Yeah.
Ready for another puff?
Ready?
Pull the sailing.
Alright.
Puff me. Puff me, puff. Not you. When is water? Ew. You can't do nothing.
Tacking. Uncleat the jib. Tacking. Pull the sailing. Maggie, go to that side.
This one?
Yeah. And Jesus Christ, that boat is loud. Fun!
Is this the highest quality?
Holy crap!
No capsizing.
Guys, there's a puff right ahead.
No capsizing, no guarantee.
Puff right ahead. Tacking. Tacking. Chris, I need a place to sit. Pull the sail.
What are you doing?
Now we could just head directly into the harbor.
Yeah, I hope that we something first.